The Eep Word Family. Beep Beep. A Mark D. Pencil book. Written by Sheber and Dennis. Illustrated by Andrea Moraniak. I want to do what my friend Nell does, but I can't. I want to keep my seashells in a jar. I want to sweep the dirty floor. I want to drive in a Jeep and yell, beep beep. I want to go to sleep in a bed, but I can't. Because I'm a sheep. Can you read these Eep words? Asleep, beep, creep, deep, Jeep, keep, peep, seep, sheep, sleep, steep, sweep, weep. Can you read these fake words? Feep, geep, meep, neep, queep, teep, yeep, zeep, breep, screep, sneep, treep. Comprehension questions. Number 1. True or false? I can do what my friends do. Number 2. What do I want to keep in my jar? Number 3. Fill in the blank. I want to... the dirty floor. Number 4. Do I want to drive a Jeep? Number 5. Can I sleep in a bed? Number 6. Why can't I drive a Jeep, keep seashells in a jar, sweep the dirty floor, or sleep in a bed? You can also ask your children to retell the story in his or her own words from the beginning to the end. They can draw a picture of their favorite part of the story as well, and then write about what they drew and why. Thank you for reading. Please visit us at markdpencil.com.